Okay, this is just a quick look at the MIDORI extra small tape measure. And this thing is really tiny. It's much smaller than I thought it would be. I thought it would be a little bit more like this, but no, this thing is tiny. And it is probably not the type of tape measure you think it is. This is made in Japan, and it's not a tape measure like this one. Okay, so it's not the hook style. This is a kind of a fabric style. It's 1.5 meters total length. So this has a fiberglass tape, and on this side you can see that it is printed to be readable in the horizontal position, and every 10 centimeters they color that 10 centimeter block black, and then white, and then black. Now on the other side, it is readable in the vertical position. And you can hear that clicking, so it locks by itself. Every click looks like it's about 5 centimeters. There's a click, and then there's the button here, does the retract. And that is here's the brand, the MIDORI extra small tape measure. It did not come with a little lanyard. Nope. Affiliate links in the description below. Thank you for watching.